So in this video, I'll be showing you how to operate the Watchdog feature on your Scorpion transmitter. So the Watchdog feature instructs your Scorpion transmitter to send a transmission signal approximately every 30 seconds without any user operation, so without any buttons being pressed. So you'll need to open up the transmitter, like so. As you can see, we have our set switch and our 3 LEDs at the top, which tell us which menus and operating modes we're selecting with our set button. So to access the Watchdog feature, you need to first select menu 3. You do this by pushing the set button. This LED will let you know which menus and modes you're selecting. So push the set button once, menu 1, twice, menu 2, and 3 times, menu 3. Wait for this LED to flash. Now we're in menu 3. Push the set button and this LED will light up. When pressed again, the LED will switch off. When lit up, this means the transmitter will operate with the Watchdog on. So make sure to leave this LED on, then wait for the transmitter to drop out of configuration mode, as it has here. So now, if we wait 30 seconds, we will see our Scorpion transmitter will send a transmission signal without me pressing any of the buttons. And there it is, my Scorpion transmitter sending out a transmission without me having to press a button. And that's it. For more information on our Scorpion transmitters, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Or alternatively, check the datasheet.